Now, why do we need to wait for the full eruption?
It's because you want to see the full explosion and like you need to know how much comes out of the bottle.
That's right, so we need to know fully how much has come out. So we might have to wait a little bit of length of time. Number 2, please. Number 2. Look at Tambi. Tambi, show everyone your lovely way of holding the Mentos. Can you see? Because they're one on top of the other, what does that mean? Amber?
They'll go in at almost the exact same time.
They will. They'll go in a column through the neck of the bottle at pretty much the same time. Okay, Tambi, are you ready? Okay, whenever you're ready, Tambi. Children, can you see why it was really important that you have to put them in on top of each other? Because in that situation now, we'll see what the results show, but what might we find with the results? What's that scientific word beginning with an A? What might we find with our set of results here beginning with an A?
An anomaly.
Well done, an anomaly, good girl. So we might find now with our set of results that we might get an anomaly because the 3 of those Mentos didn't exactly go in at the same time. Okay, but that's okay, it's a learning curve, right? So number 4, who's the Bluebell, you need to line it up at the neck of the bottle.
Yeah.
And when I say put, when you're ready, you have to push from the top so they all go in.
Okay.
When you're ready. Okay, what are you noticing with the reaction? So we've done 4, but what are you noticing, Anushka?
It was a lot the reaction time was a lot quicker.
Good. So you're noticing, I hope, that as you're increasing the number of Mentos, the actual reaction time is much quicker. Do we know if that's having an effect yet on the size of the explosion?
No.
No? Does anyone think that perhaps they are getting bigger? Anyone see it? Share? Hands up, share? Yeah?
I can see like it goes up a lot more, like the power of the reaction, it makes the curve go higher than normal.
So you think you could see that difference? Okay. No, I was at my you could definitely see that the reaction was greater. Definitely. Okay, hands down. So, for sure, just by visibly looking at it, we can see that there's a difference. What do we now need to do?
Measure.
Hands up. What do we now need to do? Johan?
Measure
We need-
how much is lost.
Super. So we're going to start from number 1. Okay. So, guys, take a step back for me. Into your circle.
Oh, come on, make it quick.
What was the word that Neha Bodabali used?
Anomaly.
She did. So these boys just said actually, there's going to be an anomaly in this one. These results aren't going to quite be right. So put your hands if you think there is going to be an anomaly. Hands up. Put your hands up if you predict there won't be an anomaly because all 3 did go in. Okay. Okay. So,
For the result, should we put that there might be
no, same amount will come out? Let's see what we get. So,
same amount will
what's your total?
960.
960. So, put your hands up if your prediction was wrong.
Everybody's hand should be up from me.
So, hands down. So actually, the Coke amount is going down, which is what we would expect, right, in this reaction, even though that third Mentos popped out. Yes? So, let's see. We then put it back in again, so the reaction continued, but it didn't go in at exactly the same amount of time. Okay, so let's go now to the fourth one. Which one's the fourth?
So 920.
920. What was the third one?
960.
Ah, so we're going in the right way. Okay, right, but very little, but we are. Okay, let's calculate that, please.
That went down massive. 680.
How much, sorry?
680.
600.
It's because when it went up, it just fell back down. It didn't like shoot to the side. So when it went up, it just fell back into the bottle. Oh, not all.
So 680.
Oh wait, no.
So, could I ask please, Carter, can you read the amounts please from top to bottom?
1,200, 1,030, 960, 920, and 680.
Amazing. Can you see a pattern in your results?
It always goes down.
It's going down. So if the amount of Coke left in the bottle has gone down, what does that mean about the size of the eruption?
It's getting bigger.
It's getting greater each time. Excellent. Calculations are?
For the first one, it was 800 milliliters. For the second one, 970 milliliters. The third one, 1,040 milliliters. For the fourth one, 1,080 milliliters. And for the fifth one, was 1,300.
Wow. So, excellent. So the last one was how much? 1,320 millilitres of Coke was used for 5 Mentos. So what's your prediction? If we had 6 Mentos, what do you think our amount of Coke used for the eruption might be? So 5 Mentos is 1,300 and...
So the fifth one,
Yeah.
1,320.
So what do you think 6 Mentos would end up being? 500.
Or like 450. Oh wait, how much you use?
How much the eruption?
Oh, 1,600.
1,600 maybe. What do you think? Yep.
I was going to say
Roughly that. Okay, well done guys.